Hello, everyone. I'm about to do an unboxing of Japan Crate. This time, my first ever premium box from them. I usually get the original box, so I decided to try the premium because I had a discount code. So, excuse my voice. I have a little sore throat. And today we are going to be opening and taste testing with this unboxing. I usually don't do that, but my daughter, she really wants to do the taste testing. So let's get into it. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks like I have tons of good things in here. Looks delicious stuff. As usual, my daughter, I got this. Okay. As usual, they give you the pamphlet that's in there. Of course, it always open from left to right instead of so left to right to left, or you know what I mean. It just don't open the normal way books open. It always starts out this way. Of course, it gives you a little comic as usual to read if you like that sort of stuff. Tells you what's in the mini, original, and premium. And gives you go into details about certain snacks in the box. If you want to win things, contests, and all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm sorry, you guys. I'm under weather, so I probably don't sound as good. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. Sorry. The first thing I see, come here, my daughter. I need you to grab something out the box. Then I'll look in the magazine. Take your pick about what you want to look for. This is the first thing we see. It says Happy Niku. I don't even know. Like I said, don't get me started with these. These feel like gummies.
Niku?
They feel like gummies. Okay, go ahead and open that while I read the description. Oh, let me find the description. Alrighty, and that comes only in a premium box. It says, nothing is cuter than a kitten's little pink paw print. And these gummies mimic just that. A resealable bag of paw-shaped peach gummies that are meant to be just as soft as kitten's paw. Okay, let me see one. This is what it looks like. And we're about to go ahead and try it.
I tried not to because I just read it.
It's good. Tastes just like peach. I like it. It's real good. Yeah, I like that. Okay, my daughter picked something else out the box. Alrighty. Like I had these before. I see pictures of corn, so open those while I read the description. And that comes in the mini, original, and premium crates. This is that Morikashi comes in a unique chili and fermented bean paste flavor. Yeah. I don't know about the bean paste, but I'll give it a try. This is what it looks like. Good. Yummy. These are pretty good. I don't taste like no bean paste. And I do not taste any chili in it. At all. Yeah, these are good. So, okay. Where the pink gummies go right there? Give them here. Okay. Now my daughter's gonna get another snack out. Go ahead. See what you like to try. These are
So,
they're like little chocolate panda cookies. I'm sorry, it's like glaring because maybe I should have did it away from here. How about that? Okay, go ahead and open. That comes in the mini, original, and premium. Celebrate Saku something Panda's 20th anniversary with a limited edition fancier take on the famous panda cookies. These are molded after chocolate torte cakes in 3 layers of goodness. A crunchy biscuit on the bottom, chocolate mousse filled with the chocolate sauce topped with milk chocolate. Yum, that sounds awesome. And it comes into, look, I guess you get a box of them. And it comes in little individual packets. Like this. I have other kids over here trying stuff too, so. Okay, open it. It's a little melted because it was hot, but this is what it looks like. I'm sorry, this daggone glare from the sun. I'm sorry. Mina, cut the lamp on over there. I'm gonna have my daughter cut the light on. Oh my gosh. I'm dropping. It's so good. It's just a little melted because it's hot out here. But, I love it. You don't like it? I like it. I guess just leave it here.
what do you want to try next?
I guess I'll try. I don't know, so much good stuff. Well, I'm not going to try this, but I'm going to pick this. Oh, it's coffee candy.
I hate coffee.
I'm going to try the coffee candy. I like coffee.
Okay, open.
So, yeah, go ahead, open.
No, sounds like
Okay, this comes in the... It comes in the original and premium box. Open one of these pieces of cake. Hold on. This is what it looks like. Open it, please. It says, coffee is made with beans that have been roasted with charcoal. The end result is a dark, bold, and smooth flavor. Enjoy these on the go whenever you can make it to your favorite coffee shop. Can't make it to your favorite coffee shop. This is what it looks like. That's good. Okay. Yeah, that's delicious. Tastes just like coffee. Now, I didn't have no coffee this morning anything. So it's delicious. Okay, what else you want to try, my daughter?
How about this one? It says it's like corn.
Choco Flakes. That's what it says.
Why does it have corn in here?
And that comes in the mini, original, and premium crate. These chocolate covered cornflakes are classic Japanese favorite. Simple but yummy. We love to snack on these while watching our favorite show. So almost like, pour me some in my hand, please. Almost like Cocoa Puffs. Look, this is what it looks like. They kind of clump together. See? Kind of clump together. Sorry.
Nasty. I seriously don't taste anything.
They're okay. Just tastes like, kind of like cereal. Okay. Next.
I'm not try this.
I want to do drink glass. That'd be the last thing we do.
Oh, okay. And what about this? These croissants.
See, these look like croissants. It's a nice big bag. Open. And this comes in the original and premium crate. Imagine a freshly baked croissant that has shrunken down to a bite-sized snack. Have a sweet and buttery flavor that we can't get enough of. Just like a good croissant, these go well with warm coffee or tea. Take one out the bag. This is what it look like. How cute. Look, croissant. Sorry. You don't like it? They are real good.
Extra to it.
So far, I have not tasted nothing in this box I haven't liked. I liked everything so far, and that's usually not the case. There's always something I don't like, but we still got a few more items to try, so we'll see.
Oh my god, it's 2 grams.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry.
I think
Oh, bro.
try these biscuits. Look like Cocoa Bis.
I'm dead.
Let me see what it says. And it comes in the mini, original, and premium box. Crispy biscuit with a hint of coconut. These go great with tea or coffee. These are even better when dunked in your favorite warm or cold drink.
If you die, they spawn.
Okay.
You see?
I don't have no time.
This is what it looks like.
So,
Oh, it's the
coconut
way.
flavor.
Oh.
Yes, it's coconut flavor. Want to try one? What you want? Croissant? These are real good too. The coconut, you will taste a little hint of coconut. It reminds me kind of those coconut cookies my mom used to buy.
Kill them Tommy but
So good. I like it.
the moves are OP.
You don't like it?
Trash.
I don't taste anything. I taste the little.
That's why I want to be level 40 so I can get the other
I like it. The coconut is not overpowering. I mean, it's just a little hint of coconut, but it's so good. Okay. Throw it away. Okay. Next.
Oh my god, it's a girl.
Looks like caramel. Okay, my daughter gonna open those.
Where are you?
You might need the scissors. First, take the tie off. This is only in the premium crate. Excuse me, you guys. It says the perfect crunch with a sweet toasted caramel flavor. These twists are Japan. Okay, hold on, you guys. You guys, I'm doing a video. Please. I'm sorry, you guys. Kids in the background on the laptop, and they're making noise while I'm recording. Okay, back to what I was saying. It says the perfect crunch with a sweet toasted caramel flavor. These twists are Japan crates staff's favorite with a morning coffee. One staff member described the flavor as being how a donut smells. What you think? Okay. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, this focusing today in the camera.
Glaze, nasty spoiled.
Well, I could tell you now, these are my least favorite. But they're not bad. But yeah, they do kind of taste like a donut, like a glazed donut. Yeah, they do. Let's try another one. It's different.
I don't like it.
Okay. Not bad, but not my favorite. What do you want to try next?
I'm gonna try this bottle candy thing.
Okay. The bottle candy. Open. That comes in original, mini original premium, a poplar, dagashi, or old style Japanese sweet. Many bottles were made to look like little soda bottles. Just open some of the powdery candy into your hand or mouth. Each crate comes with 1 to 3 flavors: cider, lemon, and strawberry. I think we got cider.
Why does it look like the stuff which you can scratch off?
I don't know. Just go pour some.
Oh wait,
I don't have any yet.
sorry, I did.
Okay. This is what it looks like.
Don't taste anything.
I don't taste anything.
Okay.
I don't taste anything. Pour a little more. Okay. Here we go again. I'm going to try it again because so far I don't taste anything. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know. I don't taste anything. So, I don't like that. That's one thing I don't like. Okay. Let's move on.
You say you want to try?
It says white. And it has whites. I'm sorry, you guys. My camera don't want to focus. Okay, whites and cookies. And let me see if that's on here. Oh, that comes in a premium box only. And it says white and cookie offers creamy white chocolate with crunchy cookie bits in each little square. These are the perfect size for a little afternoon pick-me-up. Excuse me.
I don't like cookies, so I'm just gonna take.
Let me show the people first. My daughter went on ahead and took a bite. Because she loves anything cookies and cream. I like it. That's delicious. Yeah. I like that. It's really delicious. Okay.
I'm gonna try these. Medicine candy.
Little candies. Let me see what that say. This comes in a premium crate only. Featured in the popular manga series Agashi, Kashi, Pucci, or Nani. Excuse for the pronunciation of these things. But anyways, all their chocolates. Chocolates are not only yummy, but they tell you your fortune. For a complete guide on how to play this fortune game. Well, we ain't going through all that right now, but we're about to taste it. Oh my
There's
God.
different colors.
Yeah, let me taste this.
Just like the Moondog candies. There's red.
Oh, they're good. Let me know one.
You still want that?
Okay. Yeah, that was pretty good.
I like dark chocolate.
Okay, next. I think this is more chocolate. It says milk on here. Open. And that comes in the original and premium crate. You have milk chocolate. But what about milk flavored chocolate? These little chocolates come in a sweet milk flavor. Interesting.
Just try it.
Very interesting. Come on.
Hold on.
Let me show you guys what it looked like. Oh my goodness. I'm dropping. This is what it looks like.
You try some?
Yeah. Tastes like, they're not bad. It's like white chocolate.
But add it some more.
They're pretty good. I think this is a DUI kit.
Yeah, it is.
And my daughter always do the DUI kits. I don't like doing them, but she does. Okay. And that comes in the premium and original and premium crate. And it says, this month's DUI kit comes from the popular and anime and game series Yokai Watch. Sorry. The color changing collection turns into a refreshing cola flavor jelly drink and includes a limited edition cup.
It's popular.
My kids, do y'all like Yokai Watch?
No.
Oh. Okay. Now okay, there's 2 more things left in the box. And open. Hold on, let me show them the box again. It looks like some little cookies. Animal cookies. And let me see what that. And that comes. Excuse me. That comes in the premium and original crate. It says a Japanese spin on American animal crackers. Animal kid cookies are vanilla biscuits that come with adorable animal prints. Perfect for dunking in your favorite cafe drink. Excuse me. This is what it looks like. Come on, focus camera. Excuse me. Yeah, just like animal crackers. Animal cookies. Okay. Sangria. Okay. This is last thing in the box, and it's a drink. Open it. Did you know that Japanese peaches are white and pink? They're also known to be incredibly juicy and have a light candy-like flavor. Taking a sip of this soda is like biting into a perfectly ripe peach. Okay, here we go again. Opened, and I'm about to try it for you guys. I like it. It's not that overly sweet though, so that's good. It'd be even better if it was cold. It's delicious. Okay, you guys. Now this is this month's July's Japan crate premium box. And so far, I love everything that was in the box. Even down to the peach gummies. To the biscuits. Oh my god, the little milk candies dropping everywhere. I'm dropping everything. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please thumbs up my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And have a wonderful day. Bye, you guys.